To be studied. The third type of construction is to construct quadrilateral if two adjacent sides and any three angles are given. That is what is going to be done in this video. You have to observe each and every step and stage by which it is done. Two adjacent sides and three angles are given. You will be getting a sample construction now to construct quadrilateral LEFT. So I have to draw a rough diagram and name that quadrilateral as LEFT. I am marking it according to the given name. Sometime we will be forced to change or reconstruct it. We will see that 4.5 centimeter is EL, 5.5 centimeter is EF, and the measure of angle L is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and E is 100 degree, F is 120 degree. This is what is given. So luckily LE base is given. We can start with the construction, and the order of construction will be: first we will construct LE, then the angle 100 degree will be taken and a distance of 5.5 centimeter will be marked on that with compass, then 120 degree, and finally the 60 degree angle at L. Let us check how it is in the textbook. Textbook also is having almost same rough diagram. Same it is, so we can go ahead. So you can compare it with the textbook rough diagram also. Now the construction has to be done, and I need compass, protractor and scale for that. Correct? These three are essential for this construction. Okay, let me keep these things ready so that time can be saved. Let me draw 4.5 centimeter LE first with the help of a scale. Okay, let me mark it as LE 4.5 centimeter. Marked. Now we need to draw an angle of 100 degree at E. The scale should start from left because it is more than 90 degree. This is the use of rough diagram. We get an idea about 100 degree can be marked here. Using the scale I can draw that side of quadrilateral which is 100 degree with LE. Okay, now 100 degree is this angle E according to the instruction. Next we will be finding out a distance of 5.5 centimeter on that. For that the correct method is drawing an arc. So we will be measuring 5.5 centimeter on the scale. .5 centimeter and put an arc over there. Now again we have to take a measurement of 120 degree at F. The scale on the left protractor will be used. More than 90 degree angle, how it appears we know, so there should be a cross checking always. It will be an obtuse angle. From here 120 can be marked here. Okay. This is 120 degree. The side FT we can say, when we got an angle of 120 degree. Let it be. It is the side one FT. We don't know the length required. This is FT, and we need to draw 60 degree at L now, so that the construction will get over. It is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree is also drawn. This is 120 degree, 60 degree, and here it is T, where it can intersect. So thus the construction of LEFT is done, where we got two adjacent sides and three angles were given. We could complete the diagram as per the instruction. Okay, you will pause the video here and will do sums, do construction before going ahead, so that you will feel good and you will feel confident also. Pause the video, do construction and go ahead. Okay. I will be continuing with another type of question where you will be asked to construct quadrilateral. Let me clear the screen. Okay, we will go for another construction where three sides and two angles are given. Earlier it was three angles and two sides. Now it is three sides and two angles are given. So So whether a quadrilateral can be constructed, that is the next question. The question is construct PQRS where QR, RS, SP are given and two angles R and S are given. So as usual I have to draw a rough diagram for that PQRS. As it is roughly marking, sometime we will be forced to change the vertex or rotate this rough diagram. QR is given as 5 cm, RS is given as 6.2, SP is given as 4 cm, angle R is 62 degree and S is 75 degree. जैसे सोचा वैसा ही हुआ. PQ नहीं दिया है, PQ हमारा बेस में ड्रॉ किया है, तो we will simply rotate the diagram, rough diagram, so that QR your PS बेस में आ जाएंगे, so that we can start construction easily. अभी आपको ऐसा सिचुएशन में you have to erase the given drawn diagram and otherwise erase the vertexes and change the location, but all depends upon what you have done. Anyway, it should match with the question. In my case, I can simply select this and simply rotate the diagram. Let me see, to save time. Yes, it can be rotated like this. So nothing is changing, only orientation changed. So I will erase and write PQRS once again as it is in a readable format. QR is 5 cm, RS is 6.2 and SP is 4 cm. It's the same. Textual rough diagram is also matching with it, no problem. So we can go ahead with construction. Need scale, compass and protractor for that. On this scale I have to draw the side QR first. QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Then I'm marking it as QR 5 centimeter. Then I have to draw 62 degree at R. With the help of a protractor I can mark 62 degree at R. That is the second thing I have to do. First done, second to do, third will be drawing 6.2 centimeter and fourth will be drawing 75 degree, last will be marking 4 centimeter on that. That will complete my construction. Okay, so let me take 62 degree at R. Again, starting from left, 62 degree is much before 90 degree. 62 degree somewhere here. Take the scale, draw the side of the quadrilateral which is 62 degree with QR. कभी कभी scale easily बैठ जाता है. And it is 62 degree. Now I need to draw 6.2 centimeter on that. I'll measure 6.2 centimeter on scale with the help of compass and put an arc accordingly. Diagram construction should be done quietly, coolly and with lot of patience. Then it will come out accurately and perfectly. Take 6.2, mark it on the side RS as you got now. The point of intersection is of 6.2 centimeter and the point is S. Now we need to take another angle of 675 degree over there. From here 0, 10, 60 and then to 75 from the left of my protractor. Yes, 75 here. Okay. Now take the scale and let this line pass through 75. So let me draw the side SP by adjusting the scale over those 2 points. One is of 75 degree angle and the other point is the intersection of S. Okay. Little bit of adjustment is done. Please bear with me because it is 75 degree and again I have to do 4 centimeter on that side with the help of compass. So let me take 4 centimeter on compass. Four centimeter is that side SP. So I know that it is a little inaccurate there, but please bear with me. Okay, 4 centimeter will intersect there, that point is SP. Okay, that is the point SP. To make it more clear, I will just extend with the help of scale so that the intersection will be more clear. इसलिए हमेशा थोड़ा लंबा खींचना अच्छा होगा. We don't know how much or where exactly it would come before drawing. So always draw a little long sides always, even for every angle, not for this. Draw it little long so that intersection will be clear. That point is P now, but I will continue the side PQ now. To draw PQ, connect those intersection and the point Q so that you can draw side PQ of our given quadrilateral. Okay, the construction is over. I can mark P over there. So P is marked at a distance of 4 centimeter from S, and as everything is clear, there is no problem. We know that 5 centimeter, then 6.2 centimeter, correct, 62 degree, 75 degree, and at last 4 centimeter, everything perfect. So my dear students, you should do this kind of 4 type of constructions are shown in 2 videos. You have certain questions in your textbook, you will practice it, you will perfect it, and you will love to do construction which will be helpful to you tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos.